I don't know what makes GitLab different or special because I've never used it. But in this article, the former GitLab CEO raises money for Kilo to compete in the crowded AI coding market. It is a very, very crowded market. But the reason that I stick with Kilo continually is because I get to bring my own API keys, and I'm not paying a monthly subscription. It's just whatever I use. So I can plug in my OpenAI API key if I wanted to. I can plug in my Claude Code API key if I wanted to. I use my Gemini key because that's the one that I have. And it's been working pretty good for me. But there's a lot of competition. Kilo Code is open source. They do offer their own API key if you want to use it, but I just prefer to use my own stuff, right? I'm selfish like that. I'm a diva like that. It is what it is. So this article is written by Jordan Novett. And the TLDR, the too long, didn't read, the skinny, is Kilo Code makes a vibe coding extension for programming applications such as Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Also for JetBrains products. And that is why I continue to use Kilo Code, because I am a JetBrains fanboy. I used Sea Lion for building the OBS plugin. We're using WebStorm to build this plugin. We use PyCharm to build other stuff. So we use IntelliJ for Java applications. I just love JetBrains products, right? The company was launched early this year by a group including Sid Sijbrandij? I'm sorry. Previously co-founder and CEO of coding company GitLab. Kilo has raised $8 million in seed funding from Breakers, Kodo Capital, General Catalyst, Quiet Capital, and Tokyo Black. So I'm interested in how, if they're an open source platform where you have the option to use their API key, but you can use whatever API key you want, how do they plan to make money? All right. So investors are betting there's room for another startup using artificial intelligence to help software engineers write code faster. The difference with Kilo Code is it counts former GitLab CEO, we're gonna go with Sid, amongst its founders. On Wednesday, Kilo Code announced $8 million in seed funding with backing from Breakers, Kodo Capital, General Catalyst, Quiet Capital, and Tokyo Black. Sid is a self-taught developer who helped popularize GitLab's tools for source code collaboration, deployment, and testing. GitLab went public in 2021 and is valued at more than $6 billion. What? $6 billion? Sweet. Sid stepped down as CEO last year to focus on cancer treatment, but continued as board chair. Oh, that sucks that he had to do cancer treatment and that he had to step down. Since then, the technology industry has become obsessed with having large language models write and update software, a practice commonly known in Silicon Valley as vibe coding, which I absolutely hate that name of vibe coding. Because it doesn't do it justice. Because what I did with the OBS plugin, what I've been doing with other plugins, with the speech app, I don't consider that vibe coding, right? I consider that like carefully crafted AI programming. It says OpenAI founder Andre Karpathy is credited with coining the term in February. OpenAI looked at buying AI coding startup Windsurf for around $3 billion, but scrapped that plan before Google hired senior Windsurf employee in a $2.4 billion transaction in July. Rival Cursor announced a $2.3 billion funding round in November at a $29.3 billion valuation. So there is a lot of money in these AI tools, all right? At Microsoft, vibe coding already makes up 30% of the company's code, CEO Satya Nadella said in April. Sid witnessed the action and became fascinated by what AI could do for software development. I'm fascinated by it myself. In September, an acquaintance introduced him to Scott Brittenother, who started and later sold consultancy Brooklyn Data. I thought we were just kind of having a meet and greet, and then 25 minutes in, Sid's like, "Hey, can you start next week?" Talk about getting offered a job on the spot. Sid contributed early capital for the startup, which now employs about 34 people across the continent. Brittenother is in charge, but he talks with Sid many times a day. That's awesome. That is awesome. KiloCode software plugs into coding applications as Cursor and Microsoft Visual Studio Code and JetBrains products, all JetBrains products, including Android Studio, IntelliJ, WebStorm, all of that. It's mostly widely used service for startup open routers application programming interface that gives developers access to a variety of models, including Grok Code Fast 1 from Elon Musk's XAI. KiloCode has processed more than 3 trillion tokens in the past month, according to OpenRouter. A single token represents about 3/4 of a word. Ooh, they're trying to kill me with these names. Daniel Langzego, a software engineer at Dutch e-commerce startup Plug and Pay, said that he used KiloCode for months after trying products from Anthropic, Cursor, and Microsoft, among others. He said he appreciates KiloCode support for both premium and affordable models, and he likes the people publicly contribute to KiloCode extension under an open source license. Yes, I absolutely love that. And I'm telling you, like, it was, let me see if I can find the Discord. It was, I don't know if I still have his name, but it was a guy in the Discord for KiloCode who I worked with in testing to see that it was going to work in the JetBrains product. So that I was super happy about that. Lanzego has spread the word. About 80% of plug-and-play developers now use KiloCode, he said. It helped save time for one teammate who recently assembled a complex SQL query. And here's the thing. The only thing about KiloCode that I would caution on, being that it is using your own API key and it's charging as you're prompting, you need to be aware of your cost can go up. For the most part, it probably won't, depending on how often you're using it, but it is possible that it can skyrocket if you're not careful, like what happened to me last week. It says, with Kilo, it took him a day, Langezal said. If he didn't have access to Kilo, it would have taken him a few days to implement. GitLab, which has been testing a platform for AI agents to perform tasks, is paying attention and was interested in what Kilo was building. I talked to the board, Sid said. We ended up deciding to do it outside of GitLab. GitLab included reference to Kilo in a filing last month. The company said that it paid Kilo $1,000 in exchange for a right of first refusal for 10 business days should the startup receive an acquisition proposal before August of 2026. Now that's what you want. You want a right of first refusal, because that's basically like, if someone's going to make you an offer, you have to present that offer to the right of first refusal first, and then they can say, okay, no, I don't want it. That's too rich for my blood. Go over to whoever. Or you say, oh no, I am taking the deal. All right. Let's see. The market is rapidly evolving. Design software company Figma and a slew of startups now offer vibe coding options for less technical people. It's a category KiloCode won't be ignoring for much longer. We also want to be in the place for people just getting started with code. Sid said, we are working on an app builder that's more like a Lovable or Bolt experience. He said, referring to two popular startups, Lovable based in Sweden announced funding at 1.8 billion valuation in July. I remember that. And that is it. So the reason I wanted to review this particular article is because we use KiloCode heavily. I remember our first episode, or not our first episode, our first time using KiloCode. I named the episode, we got code by the kilos. That's what I called it. We have code by the kilos because I absolutely love the idea. And when we first started using it, it was kind of flaky. But it's been getting much better lately, and the plugins are in the stores, and I'm always using it. I am always using it. It helps me a lot with the mobile development, with whatever development we were doing. Like with the C++ development, I was so happy to see that it worked inside of C Lion. So I have nothing but great things to say about Kilo Code, the people in their Discord, and the work that they put out. All right. So
they think the machine never break. Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, bad breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burn on creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Doubters on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I make the turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention before I crash out and I lose the retention. When I'm feeling fried, sucker to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Hustle feeling heavy, motor vision and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I can't to the flag. Even when I'm dragging and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packed inside the bag. Gotta push through even when I hit the lag. Just need a minute, just need to close the blinds. Disconnect the server, disconnect the lines. Lay the head down, let the body unwind, so I can wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Told her high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sit in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying at my knees, buckle, hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side eyes, hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, they win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never gon' fold. Story of my fair is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a rest, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, put the ace in front of car. Keep the haters locked out, standing in the yard. While I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want me to crumble, they want me to crack. But I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Told her eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. Okay, I'm up now, wipe the crust eye. Looking in the mirror, no more disguise. Demon on my shoulder, yeah, he finally died. Energy is peaking, reaching for the sky. Thought I was dumb and you must be crazy. Thought I burned out meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Word didn't change, but the mind stay with flip. Got a new Mac and I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me and sin while they sinking in the ship. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole force when I planted the seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do it for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planning the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Turning the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method. Yeah, I'm swapping and I'm copying. Only thinking these are records that I'm popping. Burnout was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked.